Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve NCERT Maths Class 6 Chapter 4 Basic Geometrical Ideas Exercise 4.1 Question number 1. So friends, without wasting any time, let us get started. This question says use the figure to name. Now this is a figure given to us, okay, and using this figure we have to name in it 5 points, a line, 4 rays and 5 line segments, okay. So first let us see what is this. So first of all, if I make a dot here, okay, and write in front of it A, right. So if I write in front of it A, okay, that means this is what? It is a point, right. Basically point is a dot denoted with a capital letter, okay, and you have to write always a capital letter here. You can write any number, any letter at the place of A, okay. Then we have a line. Now if I draw it like this, okay, this and this, not this, actually it is this, right. So now we have this. Now what does this mean? It is a line. And you need to keep one thing in mind, that in line, whenever you get this arrow, you can see at both of these sides we are given with arrows, right. So this denotes that we can extend the line here also and we can extend the line here also, right. And also there is no fixed length for a line, right. Then rays, right. So if I put a point here and again I do it like this. Now the difference here between this line and this ray is what? That we are having here at one end a point and at one end we have arrow. Now whenever you get a point, this point denotes that that line further cannot be extended in the direction of the point. Like here it is at left, so you cannot extend this ray to the left side, right. You can make it to the right also, but in ray you have to make only one point, there has to be one arrow also. So this arrow is at the right side, this indicates you can extend ray in the right side as well, okay. And ray also does not have a fixed length, right. Then we have a line segment. Now I make 2 points here and 1 point here, right. This is what? It is a line segment. Why? Because in this we are having 2 points. That means we cannot extend a line segment in any of the directions, right. And also a line segment is having a fixed length, and you can say that line segment is a part of a line only, right. So now I have told you about what is a point. Point is basically a dot. A line you can see with 2 arrows on its side, so basically it can be extended in both the direction and it does not have a fixed length. For ray it has 1 point and 1 arrow, so you can extend it in the direction of the arrow, okay, and it also does not have a fixed length. Line segment, it has 2 points, so you cannot extend it in any direction. Now we will see how to mark a line and points using this figure, right, this one. So first we are having 5 points, right. It is very easy. Points are basically dots. Now if you see in this figure, you can see this, wherever the capital letter is written, above that there is a dot, even if you see carefully, right. Here we have a dot. So this point you can take D point, right. You can take the E point, you can take O, and all these 5 letters you can take to denote it, right. So you can write it with the commas D, comma E, comma O, comma C and comma B, right. So we have written here our 5 points, that are D, E, O, C and B, okay. Then next one, a line. Now for a line we have to see what can we write here, what can we take here, right. So if you see in this, a line if you take from O to C, that will be wrong. It will be a ray. Line has to have 2 arrows, so it can be extended in both the directions, right. But OC, it has only 1 point here, so you cannot extend it from O, right. So if you see closely from D to B, right, you can see here D to B here, that is what? It is a line, okay. So you will write the points at once, right. So it will be a line what? DB, right? So this is the line DB. Now next we have is 4 rays. Let us see 4 rays. You can take here what? From O, if you will see, or maybe let us start from O. So we have OB, which is 1 ray, okay. OB, 1 ray, then OC is also another one, okay. And what else can we see here? If you see, we have EB also here, right? EB, okay. And then you can see we have here this point D and this point here. If you see closely, D and B here, right? If you have D and B, you can take here, okay. So we will take here, okay. Then next one we have is D, that is 5 line segments, right? So we have to write here 5 line segments, very easy. We have to take here with these ones, right? So let us see. So first we can take here DE, right? This is also having a fixed length, okay. Then we can take EO, this is also having a fixed length, okay. Then next, if you see, after this we can take O to B, okay. This is also an ray, so we have OB here, okay. Then if you see closely, you can take from D to O here only, right? From, if you take E point again, and from E to B if you take, right? That is from here to here directly, right? Right. So this is what? E and B, okay. So these are the 5 lines that we have marked over here. So DE, EO, OB, DO and EB. So these are the 5 line segments, right? And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, leave a like on this video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, wear a mask, maintain social distancing and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.